Thanks for coming to my channel, and today we're going to be looking at the Netgear NightHawk X6 Wi-Fi router.
Counting double-digit thousands.
But before we get to the unboxing, just want to go through the quick specs with you. So this is a Tri-Band router, and it has the following speeds. So band 1 is 600 MHz at 2.4 GHz, band 2 at 1300 megabits per second at 5 GHz, and band 3 at 1300 megabits per second at 5 GHz. Simultaneous Tri-Band Wi-Fi, Smart Connect Intelligent, selects the fastest Wi-Fi, has 6 high performance external aerials, does dynamic quality of service intelligently and prioritizes antennas, and this is the box itself. And you want to have a quick look at the specs, you can have a quick read of it here. And this is the back. And the other side. Nothing around the bottom, just a barcode. And I got this one from Amazon for £172.99, and it was at the point where it got really cheap. The price does fluctuate, so keep an eye on it. It can go up to £203 or even more, and then can actually go further than £172.99, back down to about £163. So it's really a waiting game if you really want to buy this. And it's 3.2 gigabits per second Wi-Fi speed on it. So if I get to the unboxing, let's have a look. This is the model R8000, by the way. You can get the version 2 of this, which is the AX version of the NightHawk, but that's a little bit more expensive. But yeah, I'll put a link below to this one in Amazon. Okay, so unboxing it now, and this is the actual unit itself. Comes well packaged. It's not too big compared to other routers. It's quite a slim design, but let's put that to one side. Get warranty and about updating the firmware as soon as you get it and plugging it in. You can use the quick start guide to set up the app on your mobile smartphone with instructions on connectivity here. Ethernet cable and the power brick. The unit itself. Okay, so that's the unit. That's what it looks like on top. Around the side. And around the back. So we've got here 4 Ethernet ports. The port from your ISP provider's router that goes directly into here, the USB 3.0 port, the AC/DC input, power button switch, LEDs on top for switching them on and off, and another USB 2.0 port. On the front, get the following details. Of course, I'll be changing the details of the SSID and password, but that's what it looks like at the front. Very smart looking unit. Weight is not too heavy, and then you obviously have the aerials, which open up in the following manner. that's what it comes up when the areas are pointing out. The end ones can be tilted to improve signal direction. So looks pretty cool. Looks like a spider on its back, or a spaceship, depending how you want to look at it. So yeah, so this is the Netgear X6 AC3200 Wi-Fi router unboxing, and I'll be doing another video on the improvements that hopefully this comes with once I've plugged it in and replaced my Virgin Super Hub AC2 router. Thank you for watching.